y'all. My name is G. I am a part of a kooky improv group, like truly kooky, called Feel Your Feet. And we have a performance in June at the Broadwater Theater for the Hollywood Fringe show. And I gotta say, I promise you, you've never seen improv like this. We sing, we dance, we do a little of everything. So again, catch us at the Broadwater Theater for the Hollywood Fringe show in June. Thank you for your time. Feel your feet.
Feel your feet. Feel your feet. Feel your feet. Yeah, I think you're awesome with that great hat. I love that propeller.
You were great. You did it all.
G is incredible. G comes after F and before H.
Marry me.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Can I be the priest?
Come see us, Broadwater
Come see
Theater.
Come
Come see them. Come see this.
Feel
your feet.